Hello friends, today I'm here with a new video in Grafana series, and today we'll learn how to add MySQL data source in Grafana. So let's start. First, we'll start our MySQL server from XAMPP, and you can see that my MySQL is running on port number 3307. By default it works on 3306, but for some issues I'm running it on 3307. Then whatever SQL app you have, open it. So I have Heidi SQL, and when you open it, it asks for a username and password, which I have created, and my username is Grafana, and I have given a password to it. So I'll tell you how to create a user in this SQL, Heidi SQL, and you can see it is running on my port number 3307. So to create the user, you need to go to Tools, User Management, and Add User. So here you need to write the username and here password. From here you can add the privileges for the user, and if you choose the only the global privileges, this will give all the rights to the user. So we will connect this RFID database in our Grafana because I have data in this quality table. As you can see in the quality table, I have data. Coming to Grafana, in the data source view, add new data source, write SQL. Here you need to write you can write the name of your data source as per your choice, and the URL for this will be same as what is written here, but in my case it is 3307, and localhost will not work because if I write localhost, Grafana will only search in the Rancher desktop, as my Grafana is installed inside my Rancher desktop. It will not search in the Windows for this port number. So I have to write this. I have to write this. When I write this, Grafana search this port number running on my Windows, not only inside the Rancher desktop. Then my database name is RFID, and username authentication is same as what we created the user and the password. So in my case it is, and it's done. Just save and test. You can see database connection is okay. Now let's display its data in our dashboard. Copy anyone, edit, change the data source to MySQL, and choose the table quality and all columns. All columns, refresh. So in the table view, let's change it the visualization to table to see all the data. So you can see three columns here: serial number, name, and roll number, and you can verify the data that it has only three columns. Now save. So it is giving the unit meter. Let's delete it. Now it's okay. So hope you understood how to connect the SQL data source in Grafana, and in the next video we'll see how to manipulate on this SQL data and create bar charts, pie charts in Grafana. So thanks for watching.